babe. What are you doing?
Cooking you breakfast.
What are you cooking me?
Pancakes.
But honey, those are the pancakes I made the other day.
But I was going to put them in the microwave.
Wouldn't that be warming up?
I don't know, but I think she's insinuating that you don't know how to cook.
Okay, then I'll have to cook you something.
Okay, sounds like a challenge. First off, I want to say I appreciate all the hard work you do on your videos, and that goes to your partner as well. Whether they support you by being behind the scenes editing, filming, or even a taste tester, their support helps your videos be a success. With that being said, Jim from Jim's Kitchen and I are hosting an open cooking collaboration to honor your loved one with all of the support that they have given you to make your videos a success. It is #coupleschampionchallenge, and it will be posted on Valentine's Day, February 14th, 2022. So what is this challenge, you may ask? Well, you're always in the videos and they're supporting you whichever way that they do. So let's make them the star of the show. Have them fix a dish, anything that they want, and then you be the supporting backbone by editing or filming or taste testing, whatever they normally do for your videos to be a success. I'm excited to see what your partner comes up with. Just make sure to post it on Valentine's Day with a #coupleschampionchallenge, and we'll make sure it gets on the playlist. I hope you join us. Let's have some fun. Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.